Removing price tags from items is often an annoying and time-consuming task, especially when the adhesive is tough or leaves behind a sticky residue. Fortunately, there's a simple and effective way to make this process much easier. We'll be using Scotch tape. Cut a piece slightly larger than the price tag and carefully place it over the label, ensuring it completely covers the surface. Press down firmly on the tape with your fingers, making sure it sticks well to the label and any adhesive spots. Then, use scissors to trim any excess. This step is essential because it allows the tape to bond properly with the glue on the price tag. Next, take a lighter and gently pass the flame over the tape for about 10 seconds. Be cautious not to hold the flame too close or for too long, as this could damage the item or cause the tape to melt too much. The heat from the lighter helps soften the adhesive, making it much easier to remove. You'll see the price tag peel off smoothly without leaving any residue behind.